Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Evolutus shares with us some amazing pre-alpha footage. Nam is aiming for some VR perfection, and he's there. And please stop, because you're making us all look bad. Gil shares some shader work with some slick dance moves. Valentina Lord shares some amazing procedural generation algorithms. Jenny Leclue in Detective U. I simply cannot wait to play it. High T Frog shares what may be the sweetest footage ever from the Cake Bash team. Chris Sheedig has Skellboy up and running with some amazing boss fight footage. Spiral Circus Games created some simply wonderful volumetric lighting. Funkatronic Labs brings some hot bear action in Wavebreak. And he did something I still can't believe: real-time cloth effects. Metal Revolution found a tiny exploit in his game. It's Remix. This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.